B5 uses the same interaction logic of the Sidiance family. New device displays a null upon a single press. Press the button and hold 5 seconds to start the device. A triangle icon will display, indicates the device is started. If you want to change the device parameters, make sure the device is not started yet. Press the device button once to turn on the Bluetooth. Select the device to enter its configuration page. Customize the parameters as you wish. Input logistic information for regulation demand. As you finished configuration, press Confirm. Choose to start now through the application or later. And now the device is started with new parameters. The LCD screen is always on during recording. Press the button once to display more information, including maximum, minimum, and average temperature, days, hours, and minutes recorded. If you need to mark a timestamp for an event, press the buttons 2 times quickly. The LCD screen will flash to indicate a mark is made. In addition to USB reading, B5 reports may be viewed over Bluetooth. Download the Sidiance application to scan any B5 around. Review its configured parameters. You may also check the detailed report online. Including the summary and temperature chart for the selected trip. Cargo information can be found at the end of the page.